Door security alarm circuit using magnetic reed switch. Introduction. In the modern era where everything relies on technology, using a simple lock key for security is insanely backward. Even the intruders of today's world use technology. Therefore, we must have to use some kind of lock circuits that can secure homes, offices, banks, lockers, and places that need security, and not just secure it, but also enable the user to get the update or news through the alarm when anyone passes by. Hence, magnetic reed switch can be used for this purpose. So in this article, we are going to make the door security alarm circuit using magnetic reed switch. The magnetic reed switch is the electrical switch operated by the magnetic field that controls the flow of electrical current in the circuit. The reed switch has two types. For the first type, when there is an applied magnetic field, the contacts become part of this magnetic circuit. Hence, the contacts make opposite poles and attract each other. Thus, called normally open contact. The second type of switch is closed in normal conditions and gets opened while the applied magnetic field is, therefore called normally closed contact. Hardware required. PCB board, reed switch, resistors, 680 ohms, 10K, capacitor, 22 UF, LED, transistor BC 547, power supply, 9V. Circuits diagram. Working explanation. Build the door security alarm circuit using magnetic reed switch according to the above diagram. For a video tutorial, click the below link. When there is someone around the reed switch device, the magnetic force gets generated parallel to the sensor. This magnetic force builds the whole magnetic circuit and gives opposite polarities to the contacts of a reed switch. Hence, they attract each other, and the current starts to flow in the circuit. As a result, the buzzer beeps, and the LED glows. Application and uses. In the home, office, and industrial automation, in banks, private lockers, etc., can also be utilized in automotive applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please support my YouTube channel.